In this video, I will show you how to use Zelle from Credit Karma Spend account. So currently Credit Karma Spend account doesn't support sending or receiving money through Zelle directly. Credit Karma Spend is focused on offering basic bank services like spending and saving, but it hasn't integrated the Zelle yet. So but you can use the alternative options. So I'm going to tell you all the other option that you can use to use Zelle in your Credit Karma account. So first thing you can do is link another bank account with Zelle. So if you have another bank account that supports Zelle, you can link it to the Zelle and then use that for transactions. The second method is transfer money to a Zelle linked account. So you can simply transfer funds from your Credit Karma account to a bank account that supports Zelle. Then use Zelle from the supported bank account to send and receive money. And the third option that you can use is consider a third party payment app. You can use other payment apps that allow you to link your Credit Karma spend accounts such as PayPal, Venmo, Cash App if those meet your needs for transferring funds. So that's all the thing you can do to use Zelle from your Credit Karma spend account. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.